G'day YouTube, Web Studios here along with Travis, and today we are making homemade flame arrows, fire arrows. You might be wondering, why aren't we using oil and rags? And why are we using hay, newspaper and gasoline? That's because they're not designed to actually do anything, just to look badass. So yeah, we're gonna set this up. What we're basically done is just made like these tips like this and just put them together with zip ties just so that it works to an extent. Oh yeah, that's my first. Basically what we're doing is just covering these things in gasoline just to make it burn. If I know how to do this with a bucket, we're gonna have a bonfire later tonight. In my hand. Yep. We've redone the design because obviously the other one didn't work. I just want to point out that Robin Hood was full of shit. These things did not work.
Over it, I raise it to burn. I think it's going to be a little bit too heavy.